Hi guys, welcome to AB's vlog.
Student of Sask Polytech, Moose Jaw campus.
Okay, can you please tell us about your experience about Saskatchewan Polytechnic in general?
Yeah, so basically I went to SciAst back in Saskatoon for the trade school. That was I think like 8 years ago, and then I decided when I was 29 years old, I decided to go back to business school to get out of the trades to have kind of a career shift. And I think it's been a great choice, honestly. I think Sask Polytech has given me a lot of skills and the things that I need to go into the workforce. I find that with the skills that I've applied or attained here at Sask Polytech, I'll be able to go into the workforce. I just got back from a co-op work term in Saskatoon for an electrical engineering company, and during that time I was able to utilize the skills that Sask Polytech gave me. I was able to run social media campaigns. I was able to basically at 6 months working there, so half my work term, I was able to take over the social media, run charity events. I was able to do a lot of things that students normally wouldn't be able to do, but since the skills that from my life and from Sask Polytech kind of combined together to give a really good result, and I had a really great experience, and I'm in my last semester now, so basically just grind out the last 5 weeks and then go on to the next career or next job after that in marketing career. So I'm looking forward to it.
So what's the experience with all the instructors, your friends in class? What's the reaction?
The instructors are great. A lot of them, I laugh in class. I have a great time. Very motivational, inspirational. I would say that, we have a really good relationship with our instructors here at Sask Polytech. It's been let's say you're going to be late or you have like family or life issues, you can always email them at any time and they will respond, or they will like extend due dates if you need to. They will customize your experience for you. So I've had a really great experience with my instructors at Sask Polytech. So for high school, I think Sask Polytech's a great place to go. University usually is it's 4 years, and 2 of those years are basically they're basically just electives. So I find Sask Polytech gets right into like the important stuff that you need to know in a career. And with a diploma, you can actually get a lot of the same jobs as a degree with the job market that it is. So I think from high school, I would really advise people to go to Sask Polytech because especially since you're almost going to get the same equivalency of knowledge, because like 2 years of not electives, then 2 years of core, and then you already get into 2 years of core here at Sask Polytech. So that's why I chose Sask Polytech.
Practical aspect and theoretical aspect.
The theory, okay.
Yeah,
so practical and theory, I think Sask Polytech's really great for practical because you're actually running through situations you're going to go into the workplace. So for example, like you're going to do things that, like right now we're doing an IMC plan for advertising, which you can actually use in the real world. You're doing conflict management, like you're doing role playing in that. You're doing leadership where you're actually doing presentations that you can utilize. And
Digital marketing.
digital, so digital marketing, we're doing social media. We're running actually a social media campaign where we are the content creators. So it's actually giving you a lot of information and knowledge of how to run that. And you're going to research like analytics. You're going to understand how to do that in the real world. So like you're actually there's theory, and then there's the practical side. And I think Sask Polytech offers a great practical side for real world experience.
And when you like the way Harry jump on top. When the beat drops sound like a bum bum bum, give me the bum bum bum. And when you like the way Harry jump on top, give me the bum bum bum. Spread on the dance like fire.